Catching. Fate has spread its net throughout this world, catching all living creatures, no matter what. It captured many poor, set up an army. It is driving them all through the mountains and plains. No one can run away. It'll catch you, no matter what. It'll attack you, strike you, and hold you by your collar. It'll throw your body into an underground dungeon. It'll mix your body with the black soil. What a time it is, what intentions fate has. It'll find its way to the city of the soul. The destiny of the son of Adam is such that he gets mixed into mud. It then will be beat down with a hammer. Magtymguly, struggling with his eyes blindfolded, he suffered, rolling in the grave. Traveling in all directions of his transient world, fate is swallowing all of the people.